A business idea can sound great in your head, but that does not automatically make it a workable business. You need to understand who your customers are, what problem you solve, how you reach those customers, how money comes in, and what resources are required. In this video, we will create a business model canvas step by step using practical examples. Number 1. Define your customer segments. Imagine you want to start a meal delivery business for busy professionals. Your first mistake would be saying, "Everyone who eats food is my customer." That market is far too broad to build an effective business model. Start by identifying the specific groups most likely to buy from you. Your customers might include office workers, remote professionals, fitness-focused customers, students, or busy parents who want convenient meals without cooking every day. Now ask, what makes each customer group different? Office workers may value fast lunchtime delivery, while fitness-focused customers may care more about calories, protein, ingredients, and consistent portion sizes. You should also identify who has the strongest problem and willingness to pay. A professional working long hours may regularly pay for convenient meals, while another customer might order only occasionally when they are too busy to cook. Avoid creating too many customer segments at the beginning. A new business usually has limited money, time, and marketing capacity. Serving one clearly defined group effectively can be more practical than trying to serve 5 unrelated groups. Write your primary customer segment on the canvas using specific descriptions. Instead of writing professionals, you could write busy office professionals who need convenient weekday lunches. This immediately makes your target customer easier to understand. Once your customer segments are clear, every other part of the business model canvas becomes easier. Your product, pricing, marketing, distribution, and customer experience can now be designed around people you actually intend to serve. Number 2. Build your value proposition. Imagine 2 meal delivery businesses selling similar lunches for similar prices. One simply promises fresh meals, while the other promises healthy, ready-to-eat lunches delivered to busy professionals before their lunch break. The second offer is much clearer. Your value proposition explains why customers should choose your business. Start with the customer's problem. Busy professionals might lack time to cook, dislike unhealthy fast food, or struggle to find convenient meals that fit their nutritional goals. Next, connect your product directly to that problem. Your meal delivery company could provide pre-portioned meals, predictable delivery times, weekly subscriptions, nutritional information, and menus designed specifically for customers with limited time. Do not confuse features with value. Meals contain 30 grams of protein is a feature. The value might be helping fitness-focused customers meet their daily protein goals without spending time planning, shopping, cooking, and calculating portions. Compare your offer with the customer's alternatives. They could cook at home, visit restaurants, use another delivery service, or buy packaged meals. Your value proposition should explain why your solution provides a meaningful advantage. Keep the statement specific. Instead of saying, "We provide excellent food and service," say, "We deliver healthy, ready-to-eat weekday lunches for busy professionals who want convenient meals without spending time cooking." Customers can immediately understand the benefit. Add the strongest customer problems and corresponding benefits to the canvas. A strong value proposition connects a specific customer segment with a specific problem and a useful solution people are willing to pay for. Number 3. Choose your customer channels. Imagine your meal delivery company has excellent food, competitive prices, and reliable service, but potential customers never discover it. A strong product without effective customer channels can still struggle to generate enough sales. Channels explain how customers discover, evaluate, purchase, receive, and interact with your product. For the meal business, discovery channels might include search engines, social media, local partnerships, referrals, workplace promotions, or paid advertising. Then consider the purchasing channel. Customers might order through your website, mobile application, messaging service, telephone, or a third-party marketplace. Each option creates different costs, customer experiences, and levels of control. For example, a delivery marketplace could help you reach customers quickly, but it may charge commissions. Direct website orders could provide better margins and customer relationships, but you may need to spend more money attracting visitors yourself. Delivery is another important channel. You could employ your own drivers, use independent delivery partners, offer pickup locations, or outsource fulfillment. Compare each option based on cost, reliability, geographic coverage, and customer expectations. Map the entire customer journey. A customer might discover your company through an online advertisement, visit your website, purchase a weekly meal subscription, receive deliveries at work, and later receive renewal offers through email. Choose channels based on customer behavior rather than personal preference. The best channel is not necessarily the newest technology. It is the channel that reaches your target customers efficiently while supporting a profitable and convenient customer experience. Number 4. Define customer relationships and revenue streams. Imagine your meal delivery company gets 100 new customers this month. If most customers order only once and never return, you will constantly spend money finding replacements. Your customer relationship strategy determines what happens after the first purchase. Decide what type of relationship customers expect. Your business could provide personal support, automated ordering, subscription management, loyalty rewards, personalized meal recommendations, or self-service options. Different customer segments may require different levels of interaction. For example, a weekly subscriber might receive personalized menu recommendations and automatic delivery reminders. An occasional customer may simply need a fast ordering process. The goal is to provide enough support without creating unnecessary operating costs. Next, define how the business will make money. Your meal company could charge customers for individual orders, weekly subscriptions, monthly meal packages, premium delivery, corporate meal plans, or additional products such as drinks and snacks. Suppose one meal sells for $15, while a 5-meal weekly package sells for $65. The package generates less revenue per meal, but predictable repeat purchases could improve customer retention and make future demand easier to forecast. Test whether your revenue streams match customer behavior. Customers may dislike monthly commitments but happily purchase flexible weekly packages. Corporate clients might prefer monthly invoicing, while individual customers may expect immediate online payment when placing an order. Write each major revenue stream on the canvas and estimate its importance. This helps you understand whether your business depends on one-time transactions, recurring revenue, subscriptions, contracts, commissions, or a combination of different income sources. Number 5. Map key resources, activities, partners, and costs. Imagine your meal delivery business suddenly receives 500 orders in 1 week. Demand sounds exciting, but you cannot fulfill those orders without kitchen capacity, ingredients, employees, packaging, delivery systems, technology, and reliable suppliers. Start with key resources. These are assets your business needs to deliver its value proposition. They might include employees, equipment, software, intellectual property, inventory, vehicles, facilities, cash, customer data, or specialized professional knowledge. Next, identify key activities. For the meal business, these could include menu planning, purchasing ingredients, preparing meals, maintaining food quality, processing orders, managing deliveries, marketing the service, and providing customer support. Then, identify key partners. Instead of performing everything internally, the company might work with ingredient suppliers, packaging companies, payment processors, delivery services, commercial kitchens, technology providers, or corporate partners that provide access to potential customers. Finally, build your cost structure. Separate major fixed and variable costs. Kitchen rent and software subscriptions may remain relatively stable, while ingredients, packaging, payment fees, and delivery expenses may increase as the number of orders increases. For example, if a meal sells for $15, but ingredients, packaging, delivery, payment fees, and other variable expenses total $11, only $4 remains before fixed expenses. That immediately raises important questions about pricing and efficiency. Now review the entire canvas as one connected system. Your customer segments should match your value proposition. Channels should reach those customers efficiently, revenue should support your costs, and your resources, activities, and partners should make delivery possible. A business model canvas is not something you create once and permanently follow. Update it as you learn from customers, test prices, discover better channels, change suppliers, reduce costs, or find stronger revenue opportunities. The canvas should evolve with the business. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical business finance and business planning videos. Thank you for watching.